Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Honorable Pius Enam Hajide, Deputy Information Minister. Now you're not going. Honorable Mimochi.
Ofa mi ji usu o.
Nabakwadie.
Nyame adom ene mumpai bo pachoda musu e.
Yes, you pa. Neneye o Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia ebevde.
Ane.
Na se na woka.
Oh. Ne di kan wofa mami nchia wankasa nchia yetiefo ne ahwefo nyina. Ene eye dasronko ene 57 years ago. Ena nyame enam mame besu a wofri wale wowu emma ediama yen nyame adom yetiti ne yie ahwe ne so ama wono ankasa so abone hu ebra pepe bia asua de akwanim a wabeye kandini a woye dwuma ewo ye Central Bank no one international organizations bebre ayejuma do baby na say o mindful from o sika ho asem eto sema eto chin kakra onu na yetu be friend no say won bra no bebua na on siesie wo mu esikasem na nado dan kwakufa do yetu abama no say won be ye MPP ye flag bearer otu nene no nani kotosa obema no eso okache party mpenyefo ma nyina agia tumu wone no abo sa presidential and vice presidential aspirant who akwanya baba ye 4 times nam gidie a nanado wo wone munti ene ye wo mampenya be de kire awoda yamanotin kwa papa yesre nyame nhira edi amano ye nim se adwuma woye no enu so eka ho a Ghana yesika temu hihye asan ya pagya a ene yesan fa yentuma pa efrabium mebi etwemu na ye wo nkwansomu na yesika temu atutu apansan growth rate ya Yaman Penyindada, Mr. John Dramani Mahama, Ebenya over 14% no. But in Abia so Edin such a demefemu, Ama growth no at Yaba Femu Bedru 3.4 baby. Namia Dum, Dr. Baumia as chairman of the economic management team. The name dear our war, a dear was here every year, 6 or the can another dear no. Anka Kranya Misuto is your pagu so no. Na your economy SIPja ekika ko be 8% kura ansa na covid for the wo eba ye ene yasan ehu se yesika sem no na honde no SI epja biom enti ye wasida bia na yedi kan yedi ma otwedi ampon se wodi nipa bi sa edi ba ewiase endreche no na yasan ewasida bia yedi ma na adodan kwakufa do se wo ehwehwe obi se wo meka ne ho na wo mu dani Ghana ni no nani ekotosa afran no so na ye dia so edima openyina Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ye manotin kwa ene ye na nyame enhia no papa ontu aso enye dwuma pa o ye ni o ye no osum nyame esum nipa ye dana se nyame enhia no pa
Na when you say you ahin so na ya ono so ne birthday.
And then na ni papa no we that any person no men to me mpo afre no kafra my friend sisia na yesi free plane mo ye to kwan kakra sisia na ya bedru and you know one so we another hard working fantastic young man just say we very very only you you have to ensure that Ibiano or the dot no be see or Tibiano be cross. You are very diligent. One fan in Juma and Diagro, what penny parcel, nyame enhira wono so epapa woye communications director to His Excellency the President ye campaign no na menino etitru na se ba se ye bo campaign no deru a menino titru na ye tai ye sajuma no tregu paper so a na yeso any radio for ni TV for no edin kita ho ntimi nim ne pa wo ye obi a wadwo ne hojo obuade so kama abrante kama wono so nyame enhira no papa ye ma den kwa
na mo butu kwa he na mo kroe
wofa adwuma yo ye mampenyi nanado any kojo fonkroma mepenyi esuma ye se ye ndie nim na ye nko upper west region ye koshia nananomu etrankonwa nye ne dika mponie ye ni central region nananomu House of Chiefs ehia ye ni western region House of Chiefs ehia ye ni bono any bono east any ahafo esu ehia ye ni greater Accra regional House of Chiefs ehia ye ni Volta regional House of Chiefs ehia ye we a ye ehia idie eye okun a ye kuntia kodiewo yarebone COVID-19 no ehu ekunta na ye namo a yebu edikire nananomu ahemfu na yasaya stresse nananomu nso no enso we no struggle no anase okono nananomu ebenka ye una womu emfa womuntuma eboye de ho because ye nim se nananomu anududum papa nkofo edo womu epe womu enti womu edi womanu tumu a ebebua wofa enura ye kasei nananomu kwa agya tumu se wokono die se wo hwe nia ehihye ya aban na ye aye mampenyi ankasa ono as chairman of the interministerial committee on COVID-19 every evening ono ankasa ti akomia so chair the meeting of the task force every day onu ankasa na chair sa meeting no awaye hihye we are fighting this COVID-19 on the 5 pillars ne dikan say ye be limit the importation of the virus into the Ghanaian territory. Now number 2 ye to me contain community spread to the barest minimum. Number 3 ye to me provide adequate care for those infected. Number 4, yet to me, depend self-reliance and increase our production capacity. And number 5, yet to me, limit the socio-economic impact of COVID-19 on the people of Ghana. Ushe anamoa abaino etu every time wa say to kwamba enhanced screening at the airport. And which mandatory quarantine at the airport and other ports of entry. Everyone closure of the borders. Now aggressive contact tracing and testing. Now usha say Ghana COVID-19 unya yarena na say ye test mawa free abino and a bonka. Usha say do baby kwana ye chiche issue free ye di ma ubia enyina mahonde ye free and I time so edima ebinumu a wo consumption e was ro kakra we say ye school for be school yi na ye ne aduane edima wo mu health workers and frontline workers ye hihya etumi wo mu kran peja wo mu sunsun motivation for frontline and health workers once na making ye free wa na ye be 1 billion Ghana cedis coronavirus alleviation program business support scheme MBSSI NAYO wetumi atu aso aka kire obebre anamon pia na adodan kwa akufado as ye mampenyin edi yanimu a yeku etia COVID-19 ama obi agi atomo se led by His Excellency the President, Ghana is winning the war against COVID-19. Fiada ekemu yi there were only 448 active cases or more. Yare no ebi wo mu hu say as of Friday and no Friday no Friday. I me tell me speech. As I make kan ye no. As of that Friday now, wo share Ghana omo ayare no ewo wo mo ho a eye 448 pe it say yen recovery rate no akosoro your mortality rate etc wo mu ha sebi wo mu every mu ewu ye Ghana ye die no wo fam pa so we share the testing regime wa ye say yare yi say wo ko say yen testing wa aban no na bebo ho kan na so na me kan ye no na nanu mu adi atumu say nia aban ene nipa ebetumi aye no enuma na yemam pinyin ene na aban no eye we are winning the war against COVID-19 nemo mu wofa nia ye ka ekre na nanu mu se wo mu so embeka ho na wo mu bua ene ne se enya dia e wo se yetimu eye yede na ishishenu ya jemu na nam se active cases na ba famintino social distancing ayeke ebi enfanye dwuma biom mask ya wo mampanyi eka se yenhye until December mu no ade no akwakọ yenhye ebi no mu enhye mask no yewo yensa yenfa samina enye na yen use sanitizer ni na tefo no yehwese kofem kakra na mampanyi esan ekenye mu se yenkona yen nananu mu ahefo ekodi nkomo na yemma yensre wo mu se wo mu embremu na wo mu so enkancha manfo no mu nchiche mu na safety protocols no na amanfo endisu but ofadi ba ku bia me de yemi awonwawo api ni se yewie yenkomodie no nananu mu ahefo nankasa agi atomu se hwe protocol mu yesi you cannot change a winning team ena ebiom no yesi general wodi okuna no say okuno ye wo in the middle of okuna who is that general na enye especially when the general is winning battles which should reassure you say we can win the war and you know in the middle of the war Ghana has waged on coronavirus in the middle of the war that Ghana has waged on illiteracy yedi free SHS kusan tokwano pa se Ghana yedi nkunim wo dum so so a ene ye ni dum so no nananu mahimfo ni amanfo nyina enu ayehia wo Upper West nia eni bebre aye bo apro ekono ni omo kan te ebeye dangerous say in the middle of the war against COVID-19 yebekwa kosisan the general entino abatu no ayeba beto no nyina ye hwe ni no say Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the general who is leading us to win the battle against COVID-19, the general who is leading us to win the battle against illiteracy, the general who led us to win the war against Dumso, any Nasifono, that general Corona, ena yebe etai na chinka kankaka, and this a yeku untokwani minewi. This is beyond 2021, 2024. Na Ghana ye fire to my pa efrano. At that time, nothing will be ever genius say, bia, yen sacramubia, bia at that point. But at this material moment, this critical moment in India, yejina okwano papa. Now it will be unwise, Sebi, say in the middle of a war, no, there will be an attempt to say, Niawoti, Jumanasi, Niawoti, Arianasi, or Kuntia Diano, Yabekwa Cosisano. Oh, one say na ye Cosisa, na fe na obiba bet, enyantiasia. Akosianse die ni die na eko ye obe ho anu no e bia na COVID-19 na wakoye nyina
I see ene ye beda sepa na ya moni adwuma na owurasie di nketia ese mo said esi wo Western Togoland ni ade nkrofo ye nyina eye mo a mo se da o se e mo na mo catch national security so mo create that problem no it then na wo kwa no ma sheda kwaye so that ye beto aba mo sheda the soldier fo kwa kugu ho na mo so mama reply mo so say
me penyi ade kaye medene wan hwe yi a ube kan bibia ye be kasa tia penyi entity ya ye maye ewo MPP mo no ye dene se ye be kasa e de tia penyi efutu kakra nka wopanyinu nka obema me kwan a efutu kakra nka meka ne se yesre na kasa ne bi wo ho a yendwene hu mienu na yenhwe ya no kasa so minim se ndc for ho hihye wo mo minim pa baby a wokoye a wokoka sasem no omunim se eye seat ya ewo framantem but omunim se omulusu seat no eye hoho seat omunim se the current energy minister John Peter Mewu adwuma pa woni nanado aye ewo hoho any voter framantem nyina no seat bi wo voter regional afeidie omunim se seat no eko na omunni hwe ka eche hoho efo etinu empai mo yenka semu a nkofo befa MPP eni aban no etan ena omuka asedi nketia ntumi nkohwe enkoka se hohwe town rules ekromu kwan no na oye because enya ono eye MPP aban na akufado eni amewu ena eyo asedi nketia ntumi nkoka ewo hohwe se hydro dam etise newo akosombu generate hydro etise newo bui generate hydro no wo maye bi e wo hoho because enye omo no mo ye eye entity aban eni nana akufado e na aye eastern corridor na efa hoho eko asedi nketia ntimi nkoka se wo mo na aye eastern corridor no because enye wo mo nkofo no nim se ye kasa yi contractors e wo kwa no so a wo mo eye kwa no metumi atua so aka bebre atrew ye kasa yi astrotef ye ball was so for the first time in the history of the people of Hawaii, Womu who astrotef. They are seeing the construction of an astrotef. I said in Katia and to me and Kokancha say, Muntabama because me the astrotef because I know no the astrotef the buy Nana Kufado. Any honorable Peter Mewu, but the Nonka, and you know can say, we muno Wamuya account for na omumpe mu asem na na no ya yesi Western Togoland for no eye wo mu because oni message etro wo kan tra enyina so bia ni wo kan tra oko but etie for NTS yete ni asiedu nketi aka no sebi o enukwe bia ni mu I was going to say something about enukwe bia ni mu nyina so bia ni ho nukwe bia ni mu I think say onto the buno kind abako sem kakra. Anka o kan abako sem kakra na se obi semu ama ye cheche mu kwana. Obeti asie se be 2003. Ena efiona wo mu efre wo mu Western Togoland study group no e baaye 2003 debi na eye nana kofado ena eye mampenyi. Ye baaye the first time why ye sa Western Togoland for Nana Kufado 10 year yimuno was on the 7th day of March 2017. 7th March 2017. Again anesi ye 6 March ho and I say ebinumu atu something a o ma se tuntum a o ma twe o ma chi se Western Land Study group and almost ebeye match pass no and I see there be and a police for chi womo ye dinana akufado esinkonya so on the 7th of March 7th of January kafra ye dinana akufado esinkonya so on the 7th of January 2017 and as 7th of March just 2 months after ye koye 6 months and ye hu Western Togoland for ye and you know say I said get within that 2 months ya nana akufado afena penny ministers afena tutu ni niama they will see within that time and okoti is a group now I think it's ignorant talk onim ni oka etino ejina so bia ni ho ye nyina ye ti afie se eye o how bia aba eye national security concern. I think that it is reckless and irresponsible say obi be pese wo be politicize eneme bi sa sabi odi no kwa won ti ase me hu ne be ba obi etrimu hwe wo fa yi ukọ voter sisi a ne amaka chew se si ewo ohwe no enye ohwe nkwa hu ndc for dem no say Volta region, Yetuaba and now, at the very least, the Nana Kufado Anya Kura, na enye 40% of the popular votes. Unim Nentra, the free SHS at the Akko Volta region. Just like Yedi Akko baby, Unim say Adiba Kubia, Volta, Yedi Huawai, Yehu, any school copa. Adiba Kubia, Yedi Huawai, Yehupa, a school cop. Ukwa yesi vote for there. When we book long for Uko universities are lectures akesia yesi when we vote for because we move school call. After there, adeno and this for ebe monetize adeno and this cat to so baby. Unisika want to go school. That bragging right now ye want to vote for say ye per addition ye per school kono. That bragging right no after this for be e Jeffrey and because unisika only abusiansa se bia wo beton wo ye den ko school na Akufo-Addo na aba ene wo sama ya akwanya se ba bragging right na ye wo se kebi ye pe adisia ye pe school ko no vote for ye betumi asan ko ye dadamu na ya san ko fa ye ntuma pa efra etinu ubisa vote ni bia se ya wo ka che se NDC and NDC be bu ayen ye to abama NDC be 28 years anka bibi papa bi be frimwa be 28 years ya ye to abama NDC anka be nya bibi papa ye ni ya hu se hwe ni wa hwe ni kutreyem NDC for ebetumi eye eja mayen etiru yesu yesise mu kakra wo fa wonim se from mantem epe ene ye region Ghana ha nyina wo mu region nkia ene only one member of parliament are moving one party. Wow. Maybe a Jomahama free Savannah region and then Ubenya MPP members of parliament, Ubenya NDC members of parliament. Uko maybe an Akufo-Addo free Eastern region. Ubenya NDC members of parliament, Ubenya MPP members of parliament. Ashanti region, a MPP stronghold, Uko and now. Ubenya NDC members of parliament, Ubenya NPP members of parliament. When himself from Mantem there, NDC members of parliament in Kiana Ewa. And Lunti, among for the one say, Santeno, Adiano, NDC for take you for granted. We must say, oh, we move one yeshi cra, Abano, Omubetuama, and Tenu, and the Yakohaya Waya Dien. Vote for no line now. Sisi ano ma yo imagine say ade ne de e wo say ye ma competition kakra emblem na MPP for so ehunu ne say o vote ade o yire wo ye adwuma ma wo mu a o mu beto ama na NDC for so ehunu say vote for no de o nye hwe ma wo mu a nya de o mu beto ama wo enu ne be ma isakaye papa any development ya vote for no ehwehwe no wo mu san betumi aka etini o mu kwakoka na no ya ye registration ye di soldier for border so say ye inclusive border na coronavirus ye allow for the importation omuko ye say ye di soldier for be go ye bunkrofo ye wofa nipa ba ku po eniwa ye betumi e di ensase so say soldier for akobru no apra no say nam say okwa ni dintra nipa ba ku say one single individual po yamfa mba say me ko twa me din so jani bi e block me say ma me twa me din not one so continuously no the people of the voter region ni Ghana for no hunu ni say NDC for sebi o wo mu ni bibi papa bia e di kama nkofo wo mu flag bearer na nkasa etuka eko voter eko yes de sa say the soldiers about me see ye trade ni wie ye unti da say nipa ba ko krampo every voter region e ka say oh me ko twa me din no yes me kwan say e ma me twa me din ana what be this ah bibia ni ho sa enti no by the day no they are losing their credibility. The people of Ghana are seeing them for what they really are. Enyemi Mwangwa na no yi womu flag bearer na to be afraid an entire tribe say womu yesakawa. Odi obi atem for yesakawa. O yesi yefa chopa betujwa wosi yembe pacho ehifa ahumaso tantan oman pa honcho. Na no yi omusi akanfo asantefo ungrateful omunye boni aye na udi sika kokokra egu femu ma wo mukra women so they are ungrateful. What do you mean at them? Wakane tra oko slimu oko catch them say ono yes slimu no yentu abamano. Semu for emaniti asesebi. Yentu abase ahana ufri. Yentu abase udi empuntu ebeba. Ene nanado wonye slimuni. But woye Pualugu Dam na kufoko pesi ka $500 million. Say emphasi Pualugu Dam. Mumuba ye no mudisikano eko ye adifufro. Nana kufa do awonye slimnia. Umu ohawa Bagri Dam. Côte d'Ivoire fono ejai isunu mu akwa ikum ni pai Ghana. Nana kufa do onye slimni but oye Bagri Dam no edia maye. Nana kufa do onye slimni but oye interchange for the first time. Oh, the entire northern sector for the first time. Oye interchange amaye.
Minister, you running up, Mami Wadauma.
Mami we say onye slimni but oye water, the biggest water system for the entire northern sector, and the Tamale water system. When you see me, you know, and this is one of the offer, Omuni message, Omuni Shaka, in by any attempt the day, the Pacha, Bosomika Kasa, and the year, Womu message. And yet, Yamuba can be a Sebi, a Ghana for, was a Yefanya Sem, but Penina dear, Yabesreno, Niaokano, Yanasobi, and Yabesreno, Beka, and Yamani BC. A one national security implications are your best return campaign for no yes, Omujuni who me no my.
Madam obey.
Mesomeda
say, you're honorable, pious, and I'm Agide, and I am a train common where Deputy Information Minister.
Okay, FM 101.7.